took the wraps off the much-publicized Redmi 6 Pro, and the launch was more or less anticlimax, because there was nothing spectacular about the device to justify the hype it has been receiving. Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro comes with the notch design at the top of its 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display, with the resolution of 2280 by 1080 and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. Although there is a software feature to hide the notch, because quite a number of users just don't want to see the notch. Another disappointing aspect is that the device features the same old Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset, which has been utilized by Xiaomi on several models like the Redmi 4A. The chipset effectively places the model on the budget segment. On the positive side, though, the Redmi Pro 6 has several features that would make it adequate for moderate users. For one, the device comes with dual SIM card slots and a separate SD card slot. So, you won't have to sacrifice a SIM slot in order to expand the internal storage, and it can be expanded up to 256 GB. The SIM card tray is located on the left side of the device. The device is crammed with a generous 4000 mAh battery. At the right side are the volume rockers and power button. In addition, the rear panel of the device is made of metal, and there is a dual camera setup, similar in design to what we have seen on the Redmi Note 5, Redmi S2, Mi Mix 2S and other. The rear camera is a 12-megapixel, plus 5-megapixel dual camera setup, and there is equally a rear-mounted fingerprint reader. The front camera is a 5-megapixel sensor that supports AI portrait mode and AI face unlock. Some of its other features include MIUI 9, based Android 8.1 Arena, IR remote control, 3.5mm audio jack, USB 2.0 port, and so on. Even though the specs are uninspiring, Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro makes up for that, with its affordable pricing, starting at 999 yuan, $153, for the 3GB and 32GB version. The high-end 4GB plus 64GB variant is priced at 1,299 yuan, $199. There is equally a 3GB and 32GB variant, priced at 1,199 yuan, $183. The Xiaomi model is available in rose gold, sand gold, stone black, and lake blue. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.